planet. We're going to talk about a batera. He is going to stay at. He's going to go back to his home, the rich jungle. Because and now we'll talk to the owner of Animal Planet to see why he's going back. So he's going back because Animal Planet is a refuge. It takes care of birds and then releases back to the rich jungle. Now we'll talk to the scientist. Start.
I have given food to the batera and the chicks. When the chicks and the batera all three are in their home. Now the chick and the chick, Mrs. Chicky, is out and eating their food.
And now we are going to talk to the batera.
The batera, what do you like to talk about yourself?
He said that when will the birds come? Well, Mr. Batera, they will come after they're done eating. Why can't I go? Because you are a flying bird. Okay. Now we are going to talk to the explorer. So, hello, Miss. Hello, hi, the explorer. I like that. I actually like how they write in landscape. It says in the cage, Hayden doesn't hurt anyone. Like, the light is golden. Then it's big and its head is small. Now let's go to other things. Looks like a bird emergency. Look, he's in the cage. Where is he? We found that. How did he get in the cage? I called him. Okay, so there is no trouble. Now we are going to Mr. Puppet. So the batera, I am now the healer of the birds. We rescued the batera. It was injured. It got an injury on its head. So we have healed him, and now it's ready to go to the rich jungle, the animal reserve. And let's say goodbye to the birds. Bye, batera. Bye to the